All right, everyone, after about a couple years of heat in Texas in my Jeep, the rubber part here broke off from my mic, so I had it taped up temporarily, but decided a better way would be to buy the replacement cable that's less than half the price of buying another mic. I think the mic was about $60, and the cable was maybe $26 or $27. And so this is a good way to save money and fix your cable properly instead of just taping it up. So other manufacturers may have this as well, but this is for the Yaesu. I think this cable fits 3 different types of mics for Yaesu. But this is the part that crumbled away with the Texas heat. So I just had these wires taped up. They were all kind of frayed, still connected, but frayed and sticking out. Let's go ahead and get this thing opened up. Little Phillips head. Again, this is the Yaesu mic for my Yaesu 400. We've got 2 screws here on the bottom. Don't mind the sheetrock falling off of the sheetrock powder falling off my screwdriver. I use this to punch holes for grommets for screws. For this mic, there's one here where the mic connects to a mic holder. So 3 screws in total. And this should just pop off just like that. Little button slipped out a little bit, so you got to make sure we put that in right before we close it up. So you pretty much just pull this out and take the new one. Make sure it's going in the right way. I think it only goes in one way because those little 2 grooves. Slides right in, and then we'll slide that piece into the slot and maybe bend these wires down a little bit so that the mic cover goes back over. But we're going to put that PTT button in the hole, make sure that it moves properly. Place the cover back on top, folding the wires down a little bit more now. See if we can slip this on nice and easy. I didn't see anything to guide it on, but everything looks like it's in the right spot. Let me check the wires again. They were putting a little pressure on the cover. It's lined up. Looks like it's slid right in. The push to talk works. Nice and sealed around there. So let's go ahead and put 1 screw in and double check it before we put the other 2 screws in. Just tighten it down. Tighten down the 3rd one. And then we'll check the PTT and make sure everything's still sealed and connected. That's pretty much it. A quick fix instead of buying a new mic. Push to talk is working. Practically brand new looking mic now with that big difference there, so that the other ham radio guys don't make fun of you with your taped up mic. So I might cut that, maybe make a backup, or just save it as a backup, I guess. Everything's sealed, nice and tight, looking good. PTT works. It's ready to go back into service, guys. That simple, for about $26, $27. Hope that helps. 73 guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.